Good day, ma'am. Here's my word problem. To solve this, we need first understand the problem and draw what is asked. A ladder is leaning against a wall with the base of the ladder 6 feet away from the wall. If the top of the ladder reaches 8 feet up the wall, find the length of the ladder. To solve this problem, we need first find the hypotenuse. To find the hypotenuse, we need to use Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where e and b is represent as the legs of the triangle and c is the hypotenuse. So a equals 8, b equals 6, c is unknown pang c. So, ato i-substitute ang values. May mo siya a squared plus b squared equals c squared. 8 squared plus 6 squared equals c squared. May mo siyang 64 plus 36 equals c squared. 100 equals c squared. Square root of 100 equals square root of c squared equals c 10. So nakuha naman na to ang hypotenuse. Pwede na nato ma-determine or identify ang 6 trigonometric ratios. So sin theta is equal to we all know that sin is opposite over hypotenuse. So our opposite is 6 and our hypotenuse is 10. So we have 8 over 10. We can reduce the 8 over 10 or ma-divide pa nato sa 2. Amo mahimo sa 4 over 5. Cosine theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. 6 over 10 equals 3 over 5. Tangent theta equals opposite over adjacent equals 8 over 6 equals 4 over 3. Cosecant theta equals 1 over sin theta equals 5 over 4. Secant theta equals 1 over cosine equals 5 over 4. Cotangent theta equals 1 over tangent theta equals 3 over 4.